Introduction to pip and Python packages.
Pip is the standard tool for installing and managing Python packages. Packages extend Python's capabilities by adding new features or tools. Using pip makes it easy to download, install, and update these packages from the Python package index, often called PyPI. Understanding how to use pip is essential for any Python user, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer.
How to install Python packages with pip.
To install a Python package using pip, open your command prompt or terminal, type pip install package name and press enter, replacing package name with the name of the package you want. For example, to install the popular requests library, you'd enter pip install requests. Pip will download and install the package and its dependencies automatically.
Upgrading Python packages with pip.
Package updates often include new features or security fixes. To upgrade a package, use the command pip install -upgrade package name. For example, pip install -upgrade numpy will update numpy to the latest version available. Keeping your packages up to date is important for both security and compatibility.
Uninstalling Python packages with pip.
If you no longer need a package, or if you want to free up space, you can remove it with pip uninstall package name. For instance, running pip uninstall pandas will prompt you to confirm before deleting the pandas package from your system. Uninstalling unnecessary packages helps keep your Python environment clean and organized.
Checking installed packages and versions.
It's useful to see which packages are installed and their versions. To do this, run pip list in your terminal. This displays all installed packages and version numbers. To check details for a specific package, use pip show package name. These commands help you manage your environment and ensure you have exactly what you need.
Troubleshooting and best practices.
If you encounter errors while using pip, check your internet connection and confirm you have the right permissions. Using a virtual environment is recommended. It keeps project dependencies separate and avoids conflicts. Always review official documentation and use trustworthy package sources. With these tips, you'll get the most from Python's package management system.